Hi kids, it's Mrs. Fravel. How are you? Good, me too. This is a little crazy, huh? So this is the week that we are on 2-week online only learning. So I just wanted to make sure you guys understand what you need to do this week, okay, from home. First of all, always go to the biology homepage. This video that I'm making right now is going to replace the video that's there already that I made on Friday for this week when we were still on hybrid schedule. So if you already watched this video, first of all, good job. Second of all, disregard it because things changed since I made the video. So here's what we're doing this week. Everybody needs to do it. What you're going to do is go to, of course, modules. Never to do. Go to modules. Okay. So you should come down to the Unit 2 Principles of Ecology. We are starting that unit this week, and on that note, please make sure that you got your Unit 1 module wrap-up CER done. A couple of you had mentioned or messaged me that you couldn't access the CER document. The link should work, and it should either ask you if you want to make a copy, or you need to make a copy. Like, yes, you cannot access and edit my copy of it. So you need to go to File, make a copy on that document, and make sure you're logged into your Google Docs, okay? Okay, so get that done as soon as possible. Those of you that have turned that in, I will get those graded this week for sure. Okay, so Unit 2. We are going to be looking at principles of ecology and what an ecosystem specifically is made of this week. For this week, this is what I want you to do. Right here on this page is everything, essentially. So you can work two different ways. You can work from this page. So again, this video is going to be the one I'm making right now. So if you've watched it, you don't need to watch it. And then what I would like you to do is start our unit phenomenon launch. So you're going to watch this video on how the wolves of Yellowstone influenced all of the other systems in Yellowstone National Park over the last 20 years, 25 years. Watch this video, and then you're going to get your CER started. You are going to make a claim to answer the question, how do wolves change rivers? Okay, based on what you already know and from what you watch in this video. Remember, your initial claim can change. You can edit it as we go along through the unit and you get more evidence. And again, also, you should be revisiting that document every day when we get more evidence. As you do the assignments, go back into that document and update it with whatever evidence you've found that either supports your claim or maybe caused you to change your claim if you do, which again is fine. If you feel like your initial claim doesn't answer this question, given the evidence that you have, remember that's science. That's how science works. We get more data, we get more evidence, we can change our claim as long as it is supported by evidence. Okay? Okay. So that's your first task this week. Then what I would like you to do is you are going to watch this video. This is me talking to you about the first two concepts in ecology, which are abiotic versus biotic factors in an environment. That's the two biggest parts of an ecosystem are the abiotic and biotic factors, and you'll learn what those are. And then your assignments as you are watching that video are going to be these. There's a worksheet, abiotic versus biotic factors. There's a discussion question. There is a field journal. You get to go outside. That's explained in this video. And then another worksheet, what is life made of? That's going to talk to you a little bit about that's for you to practice knowing what living things are built of, what atoms, what elements they're made of the most. And then your vocabulary for this unit. Whew, that sounds like plenty to keep you busy this week. I think that'll do. So if you are watching this, hopefully on Monday, I will be available for you if you need to chat with me live. I'll be available during our regular class time. So that will be Monday from what time does Second period, I'll be available on a Google Meet between 8 o'clock and, no, I'm sorry, second and third period. Hi, Mrs. Fravel's on the weekend brain. So 9:15 to 12:25. Does that sound right? Yeah, that's fine. Let's go 9:15 to noon. That's when I will be available if you need to chat with me one-on-one, okay? Send me a message. Let me know if you're having any problems, okay? Okay. The only other thing that I need you to do or would like you to do is to create a folder for your biology class in Google Docs. And that, instructions for how to do that. So this is the unit we're working in right now. If you come back up to here, there are 2 instructional pages that you should refer to. So this one is how to submit Google Docs or Google Slides submissions that you build, and the second one is how to create a folder for biology. Okay, so do those. Do that one. Make sure you create a folder in your Google Drive so that you can keep track of all of your assignments you're going to be doing now that we're online. And then I think that's it. I think the only other thing that I want to mention is, so I showed you this page with all of the assignments and videos listed. Just know that you can also access all of those individually on their own. So you don't have to go to this page to find them. They're also stacked right here, okay? The other thing I want you to know is that Wednesday, I will post a quiz for, you know what, let's go with next week. Next week, I'll post a quiz for all this stuff. So you have till Friday. You really have till Friday to get all of this stuff done, no matter what the due dates say, okay? Friday's fine. And then next week, there will be a quiz on all this stuff. So make sure you get it done, okay? Okay, hope you're having a decent weekend. I'm sorry that we are not going to get to be together at all this week or next week, but please stay safe and be good, and please wear your mask if you're around people that you don't live with. Remember who we talked about why masks are important? That's still a thing. Even if they're still not cool, they're still important. So please do that so we can go back to school. We all got to do that, okay? All right, have a great week. Work hard, but don't panic. You'll be fine. You're all smart enough to do this. You can do this, and let me know if you need help, okay? Bye.